I did the Origin course. I was working a part-time job at the time, a sales job for Samsung, funny enough, that I just luckily got, or thankfully got, and started working in the gym floor. And I just went through the cycles of a PT, like the full journey of a PT. But one thing I didn't do is I didn't move around. And that's one of the, so I think we'll talk more about our journeys in another podcast, but I didn't move around a lot. So I was at the same gym for like 4 years.
Okay.
Yeah, I was at the same gym for like 4 years, and it wasn't even the best gym, and I didn't even know. And I think that's why I didn't even think of the online coaching, because like there was nobody doing it. It was like a commercial kind of gym, but wasn't fully pure gym, so that there was, you know, like, yeah. So I was at the gym for 4 years, but I was just ups and downs. So when I went in there, kind of quiet, wasn't the best PT there. Not in terms of I wasn't the best, but there was other PTs that were more favored. You know what I mean? Like it was in Essex. There was more local people that are more get on with everyone they know. Maybe this is someone's mum's friend or whatever, right? But then after a while, just the charisma, the energy, you know how we naturally bring it.